Waste, the most normal thing in the world for sure. You clear it up, throw it away, and it gets collected. But what happens to it next? Attero is contracted by local councils to process the waste of 40% of all Dutch households, more than 6 million people. We recover materials from it, which can be recycled for reuse, and we make energy out of it: electricity, heat, and sustainable natural gas. We do the same with the waste from companies. And so we process 2.5 million tons of waste each year. Sustainable and innovative, reliable and service-oriented.
De wagen rijdt de straat uit en voor heel veel mensen is het dan afgedaan. Nou, voor ons niet, want dan begint ons werk en dan gaan wij zorgen dat alles wat weggegooid wordt, dat nog weer hergebruikt kan worden. Als je iets kunt hergebruiken of iets kunt gebruiken om weer iets anders te maken of energie op te wekken, dan doe je dat.
Attero wants to make the most of waste, literally. We reclaim metals and all kinds of plastic out of it, for example. These are the raw materials out of which new products are made. Our waste-to-energy plants produce energy from the domestic waste. The leftover bottom ashes are then used as fillers and foundation materials in roads and construction. We turn green waste into compost. We sieve out any larger pieces, such as branches, which cannot be fully composted. These are an excellent sustainable fuel for the production of green energy. Thanks to our biogas plants and our anaerobic digesters, we are also the Netherlands' largest producer of sustainable natural gas. And so our sound processing of waste provides useful end products and sustainable energy. Our waste-to-energy plant in Moerdijk opened in 1997. The plant converts domestic and comparable industrial waste into sustainable energy very efficiently. Our plant has the highest yield of all such plants in the Netherlands. The annual processing capacity is 1 million tons. That's 14 million wheelie bins. The plant operates continuously and is fully automated. The entire facility only needs a team of 8 people. The waste is delivered to our location in containers by train or truck. Via the discharge hall, it lands in the bunker. Incineration air is sucked out of the bunker to form underpressure, preventing nasty odours and loose litter. Bunker cranes mix the new supply with the waste that's already here. This mix is needed so it burns evenly. The waste passes through a hopper onto the combustion grids, which are made of blocks sliding over each other. They transport the waste through the furnace. There, the temperature is approximately 950 degrees Celsius, with a maximum of 1100 degrees. This is how we minimize the development of hazardous substances. The incineration process needs a lot of oxygen. Air is sucked out of the bunker and blown via the grill blocks into the furnace. This air also loosens the waste for even more effective incineration. Bundles of pipes run around the furnace wall, heating water into steam. This steam is then converted into electricity. We do so together with our neighbours and in our own turbine. The high-pressure steam produced is converted into electricity in the combined heat and power plant on the site next door to our plant. Some of the steam is also used as process heat from the neighbouring industry. This unique combination makes our waste-to-energy plant one of the most modern in the world. The flue gases released during combustion need cleaning. Dust, acidic components, heavy metals and dioxins are removed. Our flue gases therefore easily meet the strict emissions legislation. A special part of the flue gas cleaning produces plaster during desulfurization of the flue gases. This limits the volume of chemical waste, which is once again good for the environment. After incineration of the waste, bottom slag is left over. We first remove any reusable metals to turn it into a certified building material for road construction, for example. We opened a new 4th processing line in Moerdijk in 2008. The high-pressure steam from this fourth line first goes to an own turbine in our plant. There we generate electricity for our own use. Finally, the low-pressure steam is also converted into electricity in the CHP plant next door. Flue gas scrubbing is based on the latest insights. We inject active carbon and lime to remove heavy metals, dioxins, and some of the acidic components. These are trapped together with the fly ash in a bag filter. The flue gases are then cleaned in a 4-phase scrubber. And so our waste-to-energy plant in Moerdijk generates process heat for industry and electricity. Enough for about 250,000 households every year, more and more wherever possible. For Attero, waste is a source of reusable materials and energy. We invest all our know-how and expertise in environment-responsible processing of waste. The energetic and environmental Attero approach. And that gives us energy too.